Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of: is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this. Breakthrough AI website security technology instantly scans, detects and fixes malware. Breakthrough AI website security technology instantly scans, detects and fixes malware, bots and hacker threats in just 60 seconds without the tech headaches. Launch your own web security agency in minutes, with everything done for you inside Soteria. Comes with built-in 6-figure website security agency setup and growth kit, client finder application, branded reports, and even a WordPress security plugin with reseller license. Real-time malware detection and website monitoring. Continuously scan, detect, and automatically eliminate malware, vulnerabilities, and malicious attacks. No coding or technical skills required. Beginner-friendly setup and automation workflows designed for non-technical users and agency owners. 360 degrees WordPress protection modules. Get enterprise-grade protection including SQL filtering, spam blocking, proxy banning, DNS blacklisting and more. DFY website security agency setup plus agency license. Get everything you need to instantly launch your own security agency including DFY materials, templates, and a full business roadmap. Soteria detects and neutralizes the most dangerous malware threats of 2025, protecting your and your client's website 24/7. In today's digital landscape, cyber threats are evolving rapidly, with attackers employing sophisticated malware to compromise systems, steal data, and disrupt operations. Soteria is designed to proactively detect and neutralize these threats, ensuring your digital assets remain secure. No wonder Soteria is fast becoming the world's #1 best website security software. It takes only 3 easy steps to protect your website against any malware and hacking attacks. Add your assets in 1 click. Connect your website or client sites in seconds. Soteria securely verifies ownership so you can manage everything from one powerful dashboard. Get instant security fix recommendations. Our AI instantly scans for common weak points and provides a prioritized checklist, from enabling OTP to advanced patching tips, so you can prevent breaches before they happen. Run full audit and activate 24/7 protection. Launch a complete vulnerability scan, auto-fix issues, and set up continuous real-time monitoring for peace of mind. Then activate our WordPress plugin to enable AI-powered firewall and instant malware defense. Find vulnerable websites in seconds. Use the built-in Client Finder tool to instantly uncover websites with potential security threats. No digging, no coding, no tech headaches. Auto-reach website owners with ready-to-send messages. Soteria's lead generation system automatically contacts these prospects with pre-written outreach messages that position you as the expert they need. Fix issues with one-click security tools. Run instant security scans, detect malware, and resolve threats with 1 click, powered by Soteria's AI Malware Cleaner, firewall setup, and protection protocols. Collect payments. 1. Deliver results, share branded security reports, and get paid fast. Offer ongoing monthly security packages or charge per fix. It's your call. We're in 2025. Where AI makes life easier for everyone, including hackers. While you were busy growing your business, AI-powered attacks were quietly evolving, and they don't need passwords to destroy your website. AI bots now do the dirty work, scanning for weak websites, injecting malware, and locking owners out, all in under a minute. AI was supposed to make the web safer. Instead, it made hackers smarter. From automated malware to AI-driven bot attacks, website hacking has never been easier or faster. And you might be next. Do you realize how dangerously exposed your website is right now? You could lose everything, your sales, your reputation, even your customer data, in just 60 seconds. All it takes is one unnoticed vulnerability, one outdated plugin, or one bot attack. And suddenly your site is riddled with malware or completely shut down. And if you think it won't happen to you, here's a reality check. Crying face, over 30,000 websites are hacked every single day. Crying face, the average cost of a small business data breach? $120,000 plus. Crying face, the average time it takes to detect a hack? 206 days. Crying face, 60% of small businesses go out of business within 6 months of a cyber attack. That's not fear-mongering. That's a fact. Imagine logging into your website tomorrow and seeing it completely defaced. You could lose everything, your sales, your reputation, even your customer data, in just 60 seconds. You're scrambling to figure out what happened, you don't know where the attack came from or how to fix it. You try calling a website security agency, but they quote $2,500 plus for emergency recovery. You buy an expensive website security plugin or software, but you end up going through a steep learning curve and navigating through their complex user interface. Plus, most of the existing website security solutions don't provide 100% recovery and fail to locate malware files in your server. And let's be honest, you don't have time to monitor your site 24/7. You're running a business, not babysitting a firewall. Meanwhile, hackers are running automated AI scripts that scan websites 24/7, looking for even the smallest crack. And they only need 60 seconds to break in and plant malicious code. Real-world cyber attacks. That's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.